Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2011 Range Rover Evoque. First of all, we go to settings, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. But over on the audio system, I'll just delete out of that screen where say we're in nav, go to phone, click phone, search new, and now best to do it from vehicle to device, because that should generate a random PIN number rather than you having to put one in. So the audio system's searching and my phone is searching. I've only just deleted it, the two pairings, so sometimes it confuses it and takes a while, but we'll just give it a minute. There you go, it's found it. Search new, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, click on there. To pair and connect phone, enter 9038. Just wait for it to come up here. Here we go, 9038, pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. We just need the Range Rover Evoque, just wait for it to connect. Connected. So the phone's connected, and that's it. The audio system's connected too.